name is Todd Malloy. I'm a relationship, intimacy, and sex therapist with over 30 years of experience of working with individuals, couples, and families to create a life worth celebrating. This is my offering to you to create that same opportunity to you to be able to ask me questions and again to grow personally, professionally, and relationally so that you can be your greatest selves and share in living a life worth celebrating. So without further ado, this question comes from Walter H. He's 33 years old, living in Houston, Texas. He's been in a relationship for 6 months. The question is, how can one build trust in a relationship? Well, first it starts with, do you trust yourself to trust other people? We really have to begin to answer this question by asking what baggage, what hurts, what pains am I coming or entering a relationship with? And have they really been addressed and resolved? Because if you've had breached relationships, relationships that one or the other may have had an affair or cheated, or if you didn't feel emotionally supported, if you felt some level of guilt or shame in relationships, be it family of origin or in previous relationships. You have to wonder how much of that is impacting your ability to trust the reality and the truth of the relationship and the person you're with in a relationship now. One of the things I often say is that the person we're in relationship with now often pays the dues of the person that you were in the relationship previously. That means that we have a tendency to hold other people accountable for things that they weren't a part of and they have nothing to do with. So first, what is your ability to trust yourself to trust the other person? Also, it really starts with you. How well do you know yourself that you can introduce yourself to someone and teach them what your core wants, needs, and desires are? One of my core needs are to feel emotionally safe and secure. So with that, wanting to be emotionally safe and secure and understanding that, I would share that with my partner and demonstrate that consistency is very important to me, that your words and your actions have to match for me personally, because again, that facilitates me understanding or feeling emotionally safe and secure with you, such that you'll have every resource available to you that I have. So how well aware are you of yourself, and how well are you at teaching someone how to care for you? Once you build the litmus test and share with them all of your core needs, and typically there are about 9 core needs, most people are only really concerned about 3 being addressed. That's, I feel emotionally safe and secure. I want to feel wanted. I want to feel desired. I want to feel seen, heard, appreciated. I want to feel connected. I want to be respected. Things of that nature. And not to say these things are important, but what does it look like? How do I receive it? So feeling respected looks like this. These actions would look like this. So you're teaching someone how to care for you. Once I teach you how to care for me, your ability to respond to that information appropriately determines the longevity of the relationship and fosters an ability for me to grow in my trusting relationship with you. So Walter, I hope that helps. And give you at least a beginning insight. But first and foremost, I'd like you to take accountability and responsibility of your own awareness of your baggage that may be impacting your ability to trust. Also your self-awareness to teach someone. I think it's time out for us projecting the responsibilities we have for ourselves and projecting them on our partners. No, we have an accountability for creating the environment that we're looking for. That means we need to be equally invested, just as we're expecting our partners to be invested in creating safety, security, value. Again, it starts with our awareness of self, our ability to teach others to take care of us. And again, with those ingredients, it'll give you an opportunity to foster the type of relationship that you want with the right person. And if the right person isn't there, you've already created the litmus test. So therefore you don't invest more time than necessary in determining what's good for you and what's not. So Walter, I thank you for this question. I encourage you to send other questions. I encourage all of you to send questions. Right now, before we go, I do like to ask you a favor, ask a service of you. That service is to like this video, leave a comment in the comment area, to leave feedback on the video you've just seen, or ask questions that you might have in regards to relationship, intimacy, and sex. Also, I'd like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make it a point to press the notification bell such that each time we put out new content, that you can share in this journey and continue to ride with us to a life worth celebrating. I thank you so very much for your time and attention. Thank you for trusting me in this process. Bye for now. Talk to you soon. Take care.